Let me show you how to make this quick and healthy oat bread. No flour, no sugar, no oil. It's perfect for weight loss, and it tastes amazing. I'd love to know which country you're in. Drop your flag or country name in the comments below. Pour half a cup of rolled oats into a bowl. Add half a cup of hot water to the oats. Make sure the water is hotter than 60 degrees Celsius. Use the same cup to measure both the oats and the water. Let the oats rest for 5 minutes to absorb the water. Finally, chop half of a medium onion. Dear friends, our channel is still very small, and your likes help us a lot to reach more people and grow. Please support us. Put the chopped onion into a separate bowl. Finally, chop half of a red bell pepper. Add the chopped red bell pepper to the bowl with the onion. Crack 2 whole eggs into the bowl. Add 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt. Add a pinch of black pepper. Add a pinch of dried oregano. Mix everything together very well. Add 50 grams of grated cheese to the bowl. Check if the oats have become soft and fully absorbed the water. Add the softened oats to the rest of the mixture. Mix again until everything is well combined. Optionally, grate and add 1 clove of garlic if you like. Take a piece of parchment paper and crumple it up. Spread the parchment paper over a baking tray. Pour a portion of the mixture onto the parchment paper using a spoon. Gently spread the mixture into a round, thin shape using the back of the spoon. Repeat the process for the rest of the mixture. Sprinkle some black sesame seeds on top. Also sprinkle some white sesame seeds for extra flavor and crunch. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the breads for 15 minutes until golden and set. Remove the tray from the oven when done. Let the breads cool slightly before serving. And just like that, your healthy oat breads are ready. They're golden, lightly crispy on the outside, and soft and cheesy on the inside. There's no flour, no sugar, and no oil. But they're still full of flavor, perfect for breakfast, snack, or even as a light dinner. They're packed with fiber and protein, and they'll keep you full for hours. Whether you're trying to lose weight or just eat cleaner, this recipe is a great choice. So simple, so healthy, and honestly, so delicious. Give them a try and let me know what you think. Hit that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly recipes every week. Bon appetit!